If you want to turn off all notifications on any iPhone with the latest iOS, let's see the easiest way to do it. For that, first you can go for Do Not Disturb mode. Swipe down from the top right of your screen to open up Control Center. Now press Focus, then choose Do Not Disturb. Tap the three-dot menu and tap on Settings. Scroll a little bit and from here you can see the option Add Schedule. Tap on Time and from here you can set a time by your own preference. And there have another way is to turn off notification for specific apps. Open up Settings, then go to Notifications, scroll down to see all your apps. Pick your preferable app and from this page, if you don't want to get notifications from your lock screen, tap on it. If you don't get notifications on Notification Center, tap on Notification Center. If you don't want to get any notifications from this app, just toggle off Allow Notifications. And just repeat this for any other app you don't want to hear from. And that's it. I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.